Hello student, welcome back and we are learning about the chapter halogen derivative and the next unit is chemical properties of alkyl halides. In the previous video the preparation were completed. Now what are the different chemical properties, what is the action of different reagents on alkyl halides we are going to discuss. So the first reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkane or alkyl halide. Haloalkane means alkyl halide. What is the meaning of nucleophilic substitution reaction? As you know very well, nucleophilic means in presence of nucleophile. What is nucleophile? Which is negatively charged and which having the attraction for the positive center. And substitution reaction means the replacement reaction. Means replacement of one nucleophile by the another nucleophile. And these reactions are very simple reaction. Still students are unable to write in the examination because in examination the examples are asked and in book a table is given and where only general reactions are given. Now here I am discussing about the general reaction plus 2 examples additional, so you will understand nicely. So the general reaction is nucleophile, any nucleophile which is negatively charged when reacts with alkyl halide gives reaction like this and the negative part is eliminated. Means what happens? This nucleophile goes here and X is eliminated and here X is formed. In the same manner all these reactions under nucleophilic substitution reactions are happening and one by one we are discussing that reaction. The mechanism of all these reactions, whatever we are discussing under this heading, are identical. Same mechanism is taking place. So it is easy to remember. But examples you have to remember again. Here first reaction, the reaction of alkyl halide with NaOH or KOH, and aqueous condition is very important. Because if KOH is alcoholic, the elimination reaction takes place. You can note this point here. While you study the different reactions in second paper, particularly this type of study is very important. When you study the reaction of aqueous or aqueous KOH or NaOH with alkyl halide, write down here the another part. Here you can mention. What you can mention? The reaction of alcoholic KOH. What is the result of alcoholic KOH reaction with alkyl halide? The elimination reaction takes place and conversion of single bond to double bond. So you will not get confused about the reagents. What is the condition here? Aqueous, and this condition is very important. In aqueous medium only the replacement reaction takes place. And if the reagent is alcoholic, elimination reaction takes place and alkene is formed, not alcohol. Here alkyl halide when reacts with NaOH, what is the mechanism? Mechanism is like this. Na react with X and side product NaX or KX is formed and this OH goes here. It comes here and ROH alcohol is formed. The reaction is very simple, replacement reaction. But in examination, the general reaction is not asked. In examination, the specific reaction is asked. Means how the question is asked? How will you prepare methanol? How will you prepare ethanol? How will you prepare propanediol, etc. by using aqueous NaOH or KOH? Then you have to decide what is the alkyl halide. तो ये बहुत इजी है. कैसे ध्यान में रखेंगे? जो अल्कोहल है उस अल्कोहल में जहां पे OH है वहां पे क्या रहेगा? ClBr और R. उस हिसाब से उसका नाम चेंज होगा. बहुत ही सिंपल चीज है. ये तीन में से हमें कोई भी दो चीजें एग्जाम में दी जाती है और तीसरी चीज हमें डिसाइड करनी पड़ती है. तो पहले तो आप ये जनरल रिएक्शन याद कर लेंगे, फिर इसे याद कर लेंगे और अगर ये अच्छे से याद होता है तो इससे बेस्ट कोई भी एग्जाम्पल. You cannot write here all the examples. अब हमने नॉमेनक्लेचर में एक टेबल देखा है, वहां पे जितने भी अल्कोहल अल्किल हलाइड्स हमने लिखे हैं उतने भी अल्किल हैलाइड अल्कोहल में कन्वर्ट हो सकते हैं। तो एग्जाम में कोई भी रिएक्शन हमें पूछ सकते हैं, एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में तो कोई भी रिएक्शन हमें पूछ सकते हैं। तो हमें इतना ही ध्यान में रखना है कि जहां Cl, Br और I है अल्किल हैलाइड में, वहां पे क्या आने वाला है, दूसरा न्यूक्लियोफाइल, स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियोफाइल, और वो क्या है अभी इस रिएक्शन में OH है। तो जहां जहां X है, जहां Cl, Br, I है, वहां क्या आएगा, OH आएगा। So here when methyl chloride reacts with NaOH, methanol or methyl alcohol is formed. Same type of reaction. When isopropyl bromide or 2-bromopropane is reacting with aqueous KOH or aqueous NaOH, one and the same thing. Both reagents can react. Here in place of Br, OH comes here, and isopropyl alcohol or propane 2-ol is formed. The side product is KBr. In this manner, if N-propyl bromide is there, then here one propane 1-ol or N-propyl alcohol will be formed. Such type of reactions you can write at home. You can leave space here while you write the notes, and you can add 2 or 3 more examples while you writing the notes. Okay. Then second, alkyl halide when reacts with sodium alkoxide, ether is formed. You have to remember this reagent. Here what is nucleophile? OR is negatively charged part, and this negatively charged part comes here in place of this negatively charged X, and the replacement reaction takes place. So in place of X, O, R dash. Here why we are mentioning R dash means this R is different from this R. They may be same or different, but this R and this R are they different. In order to show that, we are writing dash. Here ether is formed. In the same manner, general reactions, from general reaction specific examples can be given. Here methyl chloride when reacts with sodium ethoxide. Here if CH3 is given, sodium ethoxide is. And heating condition, one more thing you have to remember in both the cases, heating condition is necessary. Without this condition, reaction cannot be happen. Therefore, if you do not write this condition in examination, half mark will be reduced. So remember this heating is very important. Here heating, then NaCl is side product, and this OCH3 comes here, and CH3O CH3 is formed. That is the dimethyl ether. 2 methyl group are there, dimethyl ether. Or what is the another name of this compound? Methoxymethane. In chapter ether, we will discuss the nomenclature. Then you will come to know what is the name, common name, what is the IUPAC name. Here only 2 examples I am giving. You can write variety of examples. Leave space for writing more examples in your copy. So here second example, ethyl chloride when reacts with sodium ethoxide. Here diethyl ether is formed. This NaCl is the side product, and this OCH3 comes here. So C2H5O, C2H5. Here 2 ethyl group, therefore diethyl ether, or what is the another name? IUPAC name is ethoxyethane. Here ethoxyethane. In this manner, methoxyethane, methoxypropane, likewise different examples you can write by using this different compound. So you can give space here for writing the more examples, and you can write at your own if you understand these examples.